That is superb. Nice crunchy outside from the salt and pepper crust, and most importantly of all, lovely and juicy and tender. When you're cooking meat on the barbecue and you take it off the grill, it will carry on cooking, and it's called the carryover. And if you take it off and you're expecting to hit medium rare, you might want to take the meat off a bit sooner. I'm just going to demonstrate today how I do that, and using the dots here, a great thermometer that you leave in, and it's very important that meat is fully rested. So what I love about the ETI Dot is it's a very simple thermometer. It's just got one sensor and a display and an alarm. And when you're monitoring the temperature of your meat, this is sometimes all you need. It's very, very simple and a very inexpensive and underrated thermometer. It's brilliant. The sensor is on the end there, and you simply push that into the middle of the meat there. So once the probe is in, it will give us a core temperature of this top side. This is a lovely, simple roasting beef joint. We want to hit this to be nice and rare, so we're looking for around 50 to 52 degrees C internal temperature for this, but we're going to take it off earlier than that, probably around 46, 47. And all I do with this is to set this alarm here, 46 degrees, and then I can take it off and we'll watch the carryover, and that should take us up to low 50s. Fat side there towards the coals. So it's hit 46. I'm now going to take it off and rest it. So the dot has just told me that the beef has hit 46 degrees C internal temperature. So now it's time to rest it, and this is the most important bit of it, resting it, giving time for the heat that's been going outside to the in just to start to slow down and mellow, and that will make sure it's nice and juicy and delicious and tender. So this has gone up by 10 degrees. We took it off at 46 and it's been resting here for probably about 20 minutes, and it's gone up to 56 degrees C. It's now slowed off, so this is now at its perfect rested state. So the heat going from the outside to the in has gradually slowed down, and this will be now at its juiciest and most tender. So when that stops going up is when you want to slice this and serve this, and it will be lovely and juicy and tender. And the dot, because I can just leave it in once it's off the grill as well, allows me to see when this is perfectly rested. The dot's done its job now, and this beef is perfectly rested. So now I can take it out and then see how we've done. That is perfect medium rare for me. 56 degrees is bang on medium rare, and it's lovely and juicy and delicious, and it's not going to lose all its moisture when you cut into it, so resting it is really important. But let's have a taste and see how we've done. That is superb. Nice crunchy outside from the salt and pepper crust, and most importantly of all, lovely and juicy and tender. I hope I've shown you the importance of resting here, and using the ETI Dot is a great way of making sure the food is fully rested. Hope you've enjoyed this video and what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke. Remember, smash that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what you think of this video. Cheers.